It kind of tastes like a strawberry Pop-Tart. These actually remind me of a Mexican candy you can get. It's like a strawberry. I'll wait till you're out of the ads. I'm sorry. I'll give these a I'll give these a 7. Did you put on different medication to help? I was not sure when I saw it. I've never had an allergic reaction in my life, and then I just came home and I broke out really bad, and it got worse. Next one. This box has been yummy. Next, I have pretzel honey butter. Crispy baked snack. Do you know what you are allergic to? I have no idea. Cute little pretzel. It's so cute. Look, it's so cute. Yuck! Ugh. That shit was nasty. Yuck. Those are nasty. Hell no. That's a 0 out of 10. Ew, that was bad. Yuck. Nasty. How many snacks are in the box? Like 20, I think. How did they make bad pretzels? I know, but those are nasty. I'm gonna throw those out. Ugh. And they were so cute too. Like, pretzels are like, how do you fuck up a pretzel for real?